Adventure is waiting. Adventure is waiting. Let's go find it. New camera. See how well this action camera does. Still learning the buttons even though there's only 5. Ooh. I'm going to try to find a large cache today. Hey, it's only 100 degrees out today. What is that? 30, 35, 36, 37, 37, I think, Celsius. Not too bad. It's a dry heat. And there's shade along the path, so I'm not terribly concerned. It's an alley, there's trash cans. Okay, large cache, let's go. Here's a random thought. I wonder if this camera is saving like 20 individual files or if it's going to be one big file that's just broken up into little bits. I guess I'll find out later. This would be a perfect chance to try out the gimbal. Yeah, let me try out the gimbal. This is with a gimbal, so we'll see how it goes. Well, the gimbal kept chattering and the microphone on the camera could pick it up clear as a bell. I don't want to listen to it, so I know you don't want to listen to it, so I'm just going to speed right through this. So naturally I'm thinking about a remote microphone, which of course is just more technology because I don't have enough already. Yeah, oh yeah, it wasn't until today that I figured out the right button combination to get the date and time stamp out of the bottom left corner of the screen. Found it. Alright, so apparently the power button on this little camera is really easy to push, so I'm going to have to be careful where I hold it. So if it sounds like I spent the last 10 minutes talking to myself, I probably did. Found it. Don't mind me as I wander around trying to figure out what to record because this little adventure only took 10 minutes and YouTube's algorithm rewards creators that get people to stick around longer, even though with no people around there isn't much to record. Here, let's look at some tape on a faucet. Tape says broke. Listen to the cicadas. They're so loud. Not louder than the traffic though. The heat just makes you feel drained so quickly, even though it's not as hot as it has been. I have to play around with the gimbal some more, and the camera too. Eventually this will all come together. So that was my International Geocaching Day experience, even though it was a day late. Thanks for watching. See you next time.